गुड इवनिंग। क्लास 9 के मोशन पे आप कुछ न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट ए बॉय लीव्स हाउस एट 9:30 AM। मीन्स कि बॉयज लीव्स at 9:30 AM. Now what he does, school is 2 kilometers away. Initial distance, he has to reach by 10 AM. He has to reach by 10 AM. Initial 1 kilometer distance he covers at a speed of 3 kilometer. So for next 1 kilometer, what should we is what should we be his speed so that he reaches school in time, means ki at 10 a.m. Now just see one thing, we have to calculate it in two parts. First, we will know how much time he takes to cover the first 1 kilometer distance. So, for first kilometer, here one more thing is to be noted, that distance is kilometer and time is in minutes or hours, whatever you can say. We can change it into meter and second also, but it will be convenient if we adopt the distance in kilometer and time in minutes. That will be better. So let us see. 3 kilometer hour is his speed for first 1 kilometer. So distance is 1 kilometer and speed is 3 kilometer per hour. Just change into kilometer per minute. So it will be 3 by 60 kilometer per minute. Okay. So now we know S is equal to Vt. Therefore, T will be S by V. S is how much? 1 kilometer. And 3 by 60 is the speed. 60 will come in the numerator side. So 60 by 3 means 20 minutes. Means for first 1 kilometer, he takes 20 minutes. So at 9:50, 9:30 he has started. So at 9:50, he will be at 1 kilometer mark. So now, in next 10 minutes, he has to reach there by 10 a.m. So he has now left only 10 minutes. The T is equal to 10 minutes. We have to calculate what is V. And S is same 1 kilometer, the distance left. So V will be equal to S by T. S is how much? 1 by 10. But this will be kilometer per minute. So to change it in hour, we have to multiply it by, because in minute it will cover less distance, and in hour if you will calculate it will be more. So you multiply by it by 60. So it will become 60 by 10. 0, 0 will go out. Speed will be 6 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Now let us do another problem. This problem is a ship is accelerating in a particular direction 6 kilometer per hour. Direction with A is equal to 36 kilometer per hour squared. Now its initial speed means कि u is equal to 12 kilometer per hour and v is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. We have to calculate distance it has covered during this period. Period means कि from u is equal to 12, with a speed of 12 kilometer per hour to 18 kilometer per hour. So we know that v square is equal to u square plus 2as, or 2as is equal to v square minus u square, which we can write 18 squared minus 12 squared. Now just see, we can square it and subtract it, but it will be better if we will use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. It will be easy to calculate. So here 18 plus 12 and 18 minus 12, and 2a is 36. Here also we have not changed the unit in meter per second because it will take more time. Kilometer hour. We will maintain the same means unit in all the variables. So 2 into 36 into s is equal to 18 plus 12, 30 into 18 minus 12, 6. So s will be equal to 30 into 6 by 2 into 36. Let's see, 6, 6 ja, a 6, 5 ja. So it will be 5 by 2, means ki 2.5 kilometer. Here also write kilometer. So this is the answer. Now next problem is based on a graph. What is the graph? It is like this. Velocity time graph is there. This is velocity. This is time. Now what is there? This is minor. Something is moving with speed of 4 meter per second, suppose minus 4 meter per second. Then at this is 10 t is equal to 10 minutes, 10 seconds, suppose 10 seconds. So it is, the graph is going like this. And we know that whenever velocity is constantly increasing, means there is an acceleration. So its speed is minus 4 meter per second. So some acceleration, some force is applied, so that over a time its speed in a particular direction come to zero, and then speed is reverse, and then again same with same acceleration is going ahead. So what are the problems which have been asked? The problem is at t is equal to 0, what is the just a minute, give me a minute. First is the particle moving in the positive direction at t equal 0? T is equal to 0, whether particle is moving in positive direction. No. Answer is no, because its speed is minus 4 meter per second in another direction. Now 2. Second problem is, does the particle ever come to rest? Will it come to rest? Yes, it will come. Will it come to rest? Yes, it will come, because at t is equal to 10 second, its velocity will become 0. So at t is equal to 10 second, it will come to it will come to rest. Now third part. Third part is, does the particle turn around? Yes. The will it turn around? Yes. after t is equal to 10 seconds, its velocity is increasing, so it will move. After t is equal to 10 seconds, it will move further because graph says that its speed is constantly increasing, so it moves. Okay, so this is the problem. Again, one more problem I'm doing. This is also related to graph. Just see it. Uh, Speed of a truck or bus, whatever you take, this is time in minutes, and this is speed in kilometer per hour. This is 40, and just draw. This is t is equal to 10 minutes. Time in minutes is 10 minutes, and this is 20 minutes. So it is saying that the speed of a bus or truck constantly goes up from 0 to 40 kilometer for first 10 minutes, and then it again constantly comes down and comes to rest at 28 minutes. So now there are some problems which we have to solve. Number one is in which period the bus is accelerating. Period of acceleration. So naturally we see that from 0 to 10 minutes it is accelerating. So 0 to 10 minutes. This is its answer. B. In which period is the bus deaccelerating? So period of deacceleration. Again, you can see from the graph from 10 to 20, the speed is constantly coming down. So it's from 10 minutes to 20 minutes, it is deaccelerating. C. C is what is the distance covered during the acceleration? Distance during acceleration. From graph we know that if we get the area of speed and time, so what we will get? We will get the distance covered. So during acceleration period, we have to calculate area of this triangle only. Suppose this is O, this is A and B. So OAB and this is C. The during acceleration, distance will be area. I am just showing it by delta. Delta means triangle. Triangle means triangle area. Triangle of OCB. OCB. What will be area? Triangle area, you know. Half into base. Base is 0 to 10. Means 10 minutes. But you have to give it in hours. Hours means 10 by 60. Because the speed is in kilometer per hour. So just to maintain uniformity, we have changed minutes into hour, 10 by 60. Into, now this is base, height is 40. It has been given. The maximum speed which it attains is 40. So write it here 40. So what will happen? This 0, this will 0 will go, and 2 20s, and this will come 3 and this will come 10. So it will be 10 by 3 kilometer. Means bus will start in 10 minutes. It will go with this acceleration to a distance of 10 by 3 kilometer. Now again it is next is what is the distance covered during deceleration? The distance during deceleration. Again you can see I am showing you the triangle first. The area will be of this triangle. This triangle, because it is deaccelerating from this point at t is equal to 10. But just you see here same height is same and base is also same 10 to 20 means 20 minus 10 is 10. So the distance during the acceleration, because equal area is there, so it will also be 10 by 3 kilometer. Now it is asking the average speed during the entire journey. The average speed, for average speed, we can do it by two ways. Either you calculate total distance travel divided by total time, or you can just, I think that is how. The total distance is how much? 10 by 3 plus 10 by 3. Means 20 by 3. Distance become 20 by 3. And time taken, how much time it has taken? 10 minutes plus 10 minutes. Means 20 minutes. So 20 minutes. But you have to change in it in hour. So 20 by 60. Here you see this 60, this 60, 20, this 20 will go, 60 will go up. 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 20 kilometer per hour. This will be its average speed, 20 kilometer per hour. So today I am stopping it. Thank you very much.